Hello everybody. Today I'll be playing Clash of Clans. My first time ever using a big amount of goblins. If you ever want to join my clan, it is 116. You can tell it's mine because you look down and boom, that'll add me. EWJWKW. Yeah, let's do a battle today. Why not? I'll be back when I found a good battle. I think I found it. Come on, Giants. War Farmers 13. Up to War Farmers 12. Well, that wasn't successful at all. Really? What's the hell's on that? Yeah, let's see. Do I have enough yet? Oh my gosh. I guess I'm gonna open my gold storages. It's gonna take me forever to get. Bye bye. See you guys next time, and raids.